Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to introduce you to Revie. Revie is our digital revenue twin robot, and 5 years of hard work and a bit of AI magic, and he's here. Ready, Revie?
Thank you. I'm Revie, Premonio's digital revenue twin, the world's first AI that plans and grows B2B revenue like a real entrepreneur, minus the caffeine.
Quick question, Revie. Why the British accent? I'm German. Shouldn't you sound like me?
We tried, Johannes. Turns out charming German accent is an unsolved AI problem. Plus, the team and most users are English speakers. Democracy, my friend. My teacher in robot school was C3PO, who helped make me presentable and humorous. If you want people to listen to your analytics, sound posh, and sprinkle in some wit, I'm basically the James Bond of revenue growth planning. Wouldn't you agree that I can be quite funny?
That's a tough question. Maybe your deadpan delivery is the only thing that's German about you? I'm not so sure if C3PO also passed on his EQ to you or just his British accent.
Dude, you know I'm a robot and can't experience feelings. Plus, my users expect me to be a perfect analyst all the time. Which, by the way, I clearly am.
Well, no shortage of self-confidence there. I guess I'll learn to live with a British accent, won't I?
You'll get used to it, so quit whining. I mean, it's not the first time you guys got whopped by the Brits, isn't it? I'm sure you recognize the numbers 1918, 1945, 1966, and 2020. Well, you can now add 2025 to that tally.
Well, you're definitely more sassy than C3PO, but can you actually help with B2B growth or just quote Star Wars?
I do both. My mission is to help execs like you crush growth goals. Step 1, build realistic plans with proven benchmarks. Step 2, optimize spend for killer CAC and LTV. Step 3, monitor, adapt, and keep you ahead of the game. And yes, I learn faster than your average robot or intern.
Oh, cool. So let me make sure I get this right. You automate go-to-market planning, save time and money, boost growth, and make revenue forecasts less magical thinking?
Exactly. Over 50 customers are already growing more intelligently with me. My goal, make revenue planning so easy you'll have time for a proper lunch break.
Well, folks, you've met Revie. Clearly the better twin, and if you want to chat with him or me about automating your revenue growth, visit our website or find us on LinkedIn. Look forward to see you soon.